Modern agriculture. That's what powers many of today's farms. The combination of tried and true technology with advances that help farmers improve profitability, all while creating sustainable operations. Once you implement technology on your farm, where do you go next? Brian Scott is a farmer in Northwest Indiana who raises corn, soybeans, popcorn, and wheat. He's eager to share how his farming operation has embraced technology.
You can have an incremental approach. That's kind of what we've done. We started basically with just auto steer one fall, and the combine already has a yield monitor, so that those kind of go hand in hand. With some of this tech, it's not big, huge changes. You're going to see it's little, small steps, just trying to get that much better and getting to that next level for your farm. Auto steer is great, just make life easier for one thing, but it's really the basis for all the other precision tech. So if you've got the auto steer in place, the easiest thing it's going to do is probably save you some fuel on tillage by reducing overlap. The next step most people probably would go, I'd say, is putting row clutches on your planter and just preventing that overlap too, and not dropping those seeds twice in one spot.
By not dropping seeds twice in one spot, it not only saves money, but it can also improve your yield. It also improves the appearance of the field and makes it easier to find the end rows when you're trying to open them.
So when we look at new solutions, new technologies, we automatically go right to the value proposition of the technology company itself. So whatever value they claim that they would provide to us, we need to look at that from a monetary standpoint. So for every dollar that we invest or give to a technology company, what's our rate of return, or how much money? And that could be soft, soft revenue, things that we don't actually see, or bottom line revenue, things that we would immediately see right away.
Two technologies that have been a big impact on Durden's family farm are auto steer technology and real-time data collection, so that budgets can be compared to actual costs in a timely manner.
With the system that we use, what we have the capability to do is set a plan up pre-season. So in the wintertime, we would actually be doing a lot of our financial preparations. And then when we get in season, we capture that information, and allows us to make sure that we're staying on track with where we thought we would be at the end of the season. Things happen throughout the year, like maybe we need to add in an additional fungicide application, or we need to change our chemical mix. And this allows us to see that cost right away and be able to change our marketing strategy accordingly.
Most of the farmers we talked to agreed that yield monitoring is one of the best places to start when you're new to ag technology. Jason Kaiser farms with his family outside of Bloomington, Illinois. They pride themselves on being intensely hands-on and technology-driven for the future of the next generation of farmers. His advice is straightforward.
I always say start with yield monitoring. That is number one. We have to have a database. We start building one to build off the future. Second to that would be mapping of hybrids and placement, so we can go back in season and scout and make decisions about what we tried. And I would say the third thing, I guess, would be to make sure you utilize that. Don't just put it on the machine and get the data, but go back and look at those outcomes at the end of harvest and make sure that you're seeing the outcome. What did I try? Did it work? Did it not? To make your farm more profitable. Make that technology work for you.
Every farm is different, and your goals for your operation may vary from your neighbors. Technology is all around us and enhancing the way we live and work. Take a look at today's combines. They all come with new technology. Technology that is waiting for you to put it to work for your farm.
Everybody's different on what you want to invest, but we're just trying to be a little more efficient, or making our equipment do a little bit better job each year. And it's not about making a great big earth-shattering change on the farm. It's just fine-tuning.